Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Blue color, blue color, green color, green color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, orange color, orange color, purple color, purple color, green color. A for alligator, A for alligator. Black color. B for banana, B for banana. Pink color. C for cat, C for cat. Orange color. D for dog, D for dog. Sky blue color. E for eagle, E for eagle. Sea green color. F for flag, F for flag. Light pink color. G for giraffe, G for giraffe. Yellow color. H for house, H for house. Green color. I for igloo, I for igloo. Black color. J for juice, J for juice. Pink color. K for king, K for king. Orange color. L for lion, L for lion. Sky blue color. M for mango, M for mango. Light pink color. N for nest, N for nest. Sea green color. O for orange, O for orange. Green color. P for peacock, P for peacock. Yellow color. Q for queen, Q for queen. Purple color. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. Sea green color. S for sheep, S for sheep. Orange color. T for tiger, T for tiger. Pink color. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V for van, V for van. Light pink color. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Yellow color. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Brown color. Y for yak, Y for yak. Red color. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. A for apple, B for ball. C for cat. D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक ये वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और रेड कलर का बटन दबा के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक बाय बाय।